Hello friends, hope all of you are doing great. I welcome you all on my channel Mamta Nagrat. So in this video, I will give you the complete information about international students, how they can settle down in universities of New Zealand and subsequently they can apply for skilled migrant visa or work visa. So let us start the video. In New Zealand has a beautiful scenery, campuses, and good lifestyle. Are you dreaming to studying abroad in a safe, beautiful, and peaceful country and also looking for strong PR opportunities? Then New Zealand might be the perfect destination for you. In today's video, I am going to explain how international students can study in New Zealand, what courses are available, post-study work options, and how can you become a permanent resident. So stay with me till the end of the complete video. Now, why choose New Zealand? Number one, why choose New Zealand is because of the university rankings, classrooms, and country landscapes. New Zealand is one of the most popular countries for international students because the universities in New Zealand have world ranking, education follows the high quality British system, and it is one of the safest and friendliest country in the world. Students can work 20 hours a week while studying. After graduation, eligible students get up to 3-year post-study work visa, and most importantly, there are clear pathways to permanent residency. Next comes the best courses for international students. The best courses for international students in New Zealand are hundreds of programs, but some are especially beneficial for students who want good jobs and PR. Here are some top courses. Number one, Information Technology and Software Engineering. On number two, Civil, Mechanical, Electrical and Mechatronics Engineering. On number three, Nursing, Public Health and Healthcare Management. On number four, Business, Accounting and Supply Chain Management. On number five, Construction Management and Quantity Surveying. On number six, Teaching and Education. On number seven, Agriculture, Horticulture and Environmental Science. On number 8, Hospitality and Tourism. On number 9, Animation, Film and VFX. These courses not only give you strong job opportunities, but some are listed on New Zealand Green List, which directly connects you to PR pathway. Now, what are the admission requirements? The admission requirements applied to most of the students generally need 10th, 12th and bachelor's mark sheet if you are going for a master's program, a passport, English test score of either IELTS, PTE or TOEFL, statement of purpose called SOP, CV and experience certificate, letters of recommendation called LOR for master's program. Once the university accepts you, you receive the offer letter, or you can say the admission letter. On number 4, can you bring your family? This is a very important question. Yes, in many cases, you can bring your family to New Zealand. If you study a master's degree or a postgraduate diploma in a green list field, your partner gets a full-time work visa and your children can study in public schools for free. This is one of the biggest advantage to study in New Zealand. On number 5 is post-study work visa, PSWV. I'm going to explain this. After completing your qualification, you may be eligible for post-study work visa, which allows you to work full-time in New Zealand. Here is the validity. Bachelor's degree, which is of level 7, you can work up to 3 years. Postgraduate diploma of level 8, You can work from 1 to 3 years depending on your course. For master's degree having a level 9, you can work up to 3 years. For a PhD program of level 10, you can work up to 3 years. This time is crucial because it allows you to gain New Zealand work experience, which is important for PR. On number 6, PR pathway for students. Now let us talk about most important part, that is permanent residency options. There are 3 main PR pathways. Number 1, skilled migrant category. It is based on points system, based on your age, education, work experience and job type. New Zealand qualifications gives extra points. A skilled job offer is usually required. On number 2 is green list, straight to residence or work to residence. This is the fastest pathway. If your occupation is on the green list, such as nurses, engineers, IT professionals, teachers, construction professionals, agriculture specialists, you may apply straight to residence PR immediately after getting qualifying job. Work to residence apply after 24 months of skilled work. On number 3 is PR through skilled employment. If your job is not on the green list, you can still apply after gaining 2 to 3 years of skilled work in New Zealand. On number 7 is a lifestyle and job opportunities. New Zealand beaches, students working public transport friendly environment makes it very lucrative for international students to study in New Zealand. New Zealand offers excellent work-life balance. Cities like Auckland, Wellington, Christchurch and Hamilton offers jobs in IT, engineering, healthcare, business and trades. The environment is peaceful, the culture is welcoming and the quality of life is among the best in the world. Now, the final advice. So, if you are looking for a country that offers high quality education, a safe lifestyle, great employment opportunities, and real chances of getting PR, then New Zealand is great choice for international students. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, and comment below if you want a video on New Zealand PR process, best budget universities, or step-by-step visa application. Thank you for watching. Thank you, and do write your comments in the comment box which subject you want to pursue your education in New Zealand, and then I will make a video upon that and will give you guidance further. So thank you so much. Do share, subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Be happy. Keep doing good. Bye bye.